First, we're going to look at the fact pattern. The Unit 3 assignment deals with a fact pattern, and from that fact pattern, you're going to issue spot and look for intentional torts. The assignment wants intentional torts, the affirmative defenses, and it's looking for primary law and secondary law. So the requirements for this assignment are quite simple. It's a legal analysis, and the secret for doing any legal analysis is called issue spotting. As you read the fact pattern, if you do the following, you're going to set up a framework that will keep your thoughts and words on target. You want to make a column for each party. Under each party, list the specific facts that could give rise to an intentional tort. Deal with one party at a time. Each party should have their own section. Identify the intentional torts and elements to those torts that you see in the fact pattern for that specific party. We want to do that for each party that we see in the fact pattern. Then you want to go to Westlaw and research the torts that you identified. Take the tort, the elements that make up the tort, and the citation. Then add that to your paper. You'll do that for each party. The requirements for the paper is to identify 2 or more intentional torts. You want to identify 2 or more affirmative defenses. You must use one primary source, which is a case law, statutory law, regulation, and one secondary source. That's your text, a law journal, a legal dictionary. That's a secondary source. You need to cite at least 3 different sources in your paper. You can use the text, as I mentioned, as one source. Now, Westlaw is available in the Kaplan Library, and there's also a link under Academic Tools tab in each unit, and you can access it that way quickly. A successful paper also has to meet the following criteria, and this is the technical part. It's locating not only just the material, but you want it to be 2 to 3 pages in length. That does not include a cover page and a reference page. You want to include the cover page and the reference page, and you want to make sure that you're using 10 to 12 point font. You want to use APA or Blue Book citation formatting. That is your choice, because you definitely have to follow appropriate citation style when you're using source material. For more information about the APA citation, you can utilize resources from the Kaplan University Writing Center. They're wonderful. They will work with you. They will accept drafts, and they also have resources that will guide you in your APA if that's what you choose over your Blue Book. So you want to click on Unit 3, the assignment icon, and you will get complete instructions for this assignment. And the second step here, and equally important, is to review the Unit 3 grading rubric that is in DocSharing. That's the roadmap for a successful paper. Your grading rubric spells out specifically what must be in your paper and how it must be put together to successfully acquire those points that you want. So if you do that, you will have the perfect paper.